Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So previous video we talked about how you can check whether a number is even or not, and we gave the implementation inside this thing. Okay, let's check. Let's get one more example. Let's say I just want to check a length of string. So going to create a class. Let's say string um, length tester. Okay, length should be capital L, length tester. That's just a name. Just want to give you some more idea how we can work with predicate. So let's say I have a string and I just want to check its length, whether it's, let's say, 5 or not. Let's suppose a 5. So how to do that? First of all, I have to get a string, then call its length method and check its length. So I'll again implement the same functionality like we have here. So boolean test t generic type, and that's the signature of test method. So it takes some argument and we don't need to give the parenthesis, so I can write with s. That's for string. Or arrow this curly brace and semicolon. Okay, now here what I will do, I'll say s dot length, and I will check if s dot length greater than 5. So do what? Return the true. If return true. So that was my condition. I just want to return whether the length is greater than 5 or not. All, or I can say return false. And this whole thing goes inside predicate. Predicate, this time we are passing string type. String p again equals, oops, p equals, and implementation is ready. Now I can call this on reference. So p dot test, and I have to pass this time string. Let's say CloudRaga, and this out is CloudRaga greater than 5. So it should say yes or no, or true or false. Should this time it should give true. Application, and yep, it's true. Let's check my name, Pawan. So is Pawan greater than 5? So let's check. It should give false because it's 5, not greater than 5, right? So that's how we can use this predicate, and that's how you can put your own requirements, think about it, and then you can do this. Okay, let's do one more thing, because we are writing this thing in, like, one line. Or what we can do, we can create our own array, right? So let's do that. Let's quickly create an array, string array strs something, then this curly brace, and I'll put some bunch of strings there. So let's say ABC, some random strings I'm giving. It's not fixed. Just okay. So I have a collection ready, or an array ready. Now I will run a for loop on it. Fine. So for loop, the reference is strs. So I will do enhanced for loop here, or advanced for loop, and this is a string type, string s. Done. Curly brace closed, and here I will write this code. If p dot test and pass that s. So this out that s is greater than 5, or more specific, what we're checking for, the length. The length of this is greater than 5. Okay, done. We have a condition, and it will take that array in a consideration and check for all strings. So we are running a loop inside this time. So run this code, application, and only one string has less than 5. If I give one more string with some, let's say some multiple times, so run this code application, and now we're getting two elements, so we are just putting a filter. So yeah, that's one more use case. If you want to use filters, so you can go for predicate, write your condition and use it in your loops and something that will filter out all the things. Else block can be also add here. I'll say the length of this is less than or equals to 5, right? So now it will print both in different ways. Application. So now you check, length of ABC is less than or equal to 5. This is greater than 5. AD, SDF both are less than or equal. This is also less than or equals to 5, and this is definitely greater than 5. So that's how you can create your own use cases and start working on this predicate. So in next video we will write some more code with custom object. These are some primitive types. Let's write some more codes on predicate with some more conditions. So guys, stay tuned, we will write some more amazing code here. So if you have a doubt or if you have some suggestion, feel free to write in that comment section. We will definitely discuss on it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet next video.